Hi all! This video is all about digital marketing in the modern era and how brands connect in a digital-first world. AI is transforming how brands connect with audiences by analyzing vast data sets, automating repetitive tasks, and predicting customer behavior. AI marketing is powered by a set of foundational technologies such as machine learning and NLP, automation, and computer vision. These engines work together to transform how brands engage, predict, and deliver value at scale. From intelligent keyword research to predictive ranking insights, AI-powered SEO tools help marketers stay ahead of search algorithms and deliver content that truly matches user intent. AI transforms paid advertising by enabling smarter bidding, precise audience targeting, and real-time campaign adjustments. AI-assisted blog and copy generation tools, video creation, social media automation, and content personalization engines. From content creation to CRM automation and campaign management, AI tools deliver smarter, faster, and more effective marketing at scale. From automating repetitive tasks to uncovering deep customer insights, AI delivers measurable results. While AI transforms marketing, it introduces critical challenges that demand careful attention, such as data privacy concerns, regulatory compliance, and the need for human oversight to ensure ethical use.